Okay, the video has... Okay, come on, let's play hide and shriek. You can read the instructions here.
Shrek! Wait, where's the instructions?
Hunters, hunt the innocent, keep the gate shut. Hide while you can. Rescue friends, don't forget flashlights.
Oh wait,
Set world audio to 100%.
How do we...
Just so you know, the hiding time is 90 seconds and the hunt time is 4 minutes. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3. Did you like my spot?
No.
I literally saw you earlier and just ducked around the fucking corner.
Did you not
Now
hear
it's
me?
round 2. Round 2.
If you need... If I yell, can I have a clue? Then you need to say something, If you can see me, look at my eyes, it's so funny. Who's tapping cheeks?
That was funny as fuck. Think. I'll show you where I was on the map. I was like,
Let me spectate this shit.
I was like by that door. I was by the
What door?
like in between the lockers.
Did you hear me?
Yeah, I was there.
Did
I
you
was
let
there
my
the whole
singing?
time. I was there the whole
Did you let
time.
my
I was just
singing?
like fucking scared as hell. Can I do some more rounds, or? Hello? Did you die?
No.
Do you wanna do some more rounds?
Fine.
How many more?
2, I guess.
Okay. What the fuck? I'm not being like, let's see, where do you go? Okay, fine. I will do that. I took 200 to be so stupid. I'm gonna try rejoining the world. Yeah. I gotta see this works. I'm gonna press it out. Press it out. Again. Let's go. Yay. Oh, I'm floating a bit. Who thinks I'm tall? Oh my god. Gotta wait in this room for a minute, then we got 3 minutes to find them. If you're asking about our avatars, Ketchup is Kane from Duffy's Digital Circus, and I am Evil People from Inanimate Insanity, just a stylized version. Oh. Okay. Are you in the bathroom? Are you taking a shit? Hello? Lala! Oh, there's 2 bathrooms, I didn't know that. I gave you clues, so give me clues. Are you serious?
I'm Crab Girl. I wanted to change it because I just realised that my thing glows in the dark.
Oh. I'm sorry, I didn't.
Yes, so we're gonna do
By the
this,
way,
and I'm
clap
gonna
your controllers when I'm nearby.
Fly, Robin, fly.
Do you have like any other avatars without glowing eyes instead of Crab Girl?
What's wrong with Crab Girl?
You use Crab Girl a lot.
I like Crab Girl.
Okay. I'm Crab Girl.
I'm Crab Girl.
I feel like Kane was giving you more power to beat Hyder.
Can you leave me join again?
Why don't you rejoin this time?
Alright, fine.
Yeah. By the way, I'll be tagging you in this on YouTube. You good? No. They change, they all change. You can't wear something. I'm gonna put my mirror down somewhere, because... No, wrong way. Mirror! Oh, that's a thing. Oh. Hi.
Hello. Why it coming from your head? Wait. Talk
Wait,
again.
look at the note on my back. Look at the note on my back. Look at my back. Look at my back.
What does it say? Do
Just
not
don't
look at him. That ain't a person, mate.
Yeah, he is.
Stop moaning. Shut up.
I'm not moaning.
Wait, can you like break it down?
Yeah. Did you ever see my really cool dance?
Yeah.
There's also this one.
Yeah, they
Oh wait, there's caramel dancing as well. There's caramel dancing. I don't know why he's rotated when he does it. Yeah. Oh, I'm being this avatar from this final round, but don't forget, final round. Let me be the fucking hunter.
Meow 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 meow.
The fuck was that?
They want me. Meow 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 meow.
Don't forget, don't fly, don't change size.
I can't fly. Meow meow meow.
Okay, come on. Game face. Don't fly, don't change size when you're Hyder.
Ding!
I think it's the PNG avatar.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, let me change. I don't
Be a
have any other
non-PNG.
without wearing eyes.
Wait, do you want me to give you one?
No, I have one.
Okay.
Wait, do I look pretty? Meow meow.
You're so beautiful.
Oh no, I'm sitting down. There we go.
Okay. Let's hope I'm it. Jesus Christ, I'm lagging. Okay, lagging stopped. Ooh, la la. If you can see my face mirror, don't worry about it. It's just me. Oh,
What did you do?
it was you. If you go into the ground and see the pink, then it just eliminates you.
Does
I should have told you that. I was like, I'm changing back. I'm changing back to loose leaf. No, trust me. I tried sitting down in a bookshelf, and I got sent to the cage. Now it's time to sit here for a minute again. You can skip forward a minute, but I might say something cool. Okay, if you stay, then you guys are really sick, and like, fuck, mirror. You guys who stayed, you're really sick, and you deserve sunshine, etc. Okay, bye. I love that spot. I love that spot.
No.
Wait, thing.
No.
We're doing the outro. Tell the viewers how much they deserve sunshine.
They don't.
Wait, I was like, I'll get up a mirror so we can, like, yeah.
Hold on.
My mirror is in front of me.
Hold on. I need to get a better avatar than this.
Yeah.
Wait, should I go femboy or bitch?
Why are you like this? Anyways, that was the video. I really hope you enjoyed. Do you have anything to say, Spot?
Where the fuck is my arm?
It's holding my hi, Miles.
What?
Maybe you should have gotten out a mirror.
Yeah. Oh look, I'm black now.
You can't say that. Do you want to say anything to the viewers?
Fuck you.
Don't be mean. Anyways, goodbye. You deserve lots of good stuff, unless you're.
Wait, didn't you say something?
thirsty. Yeah. Why are you throwing it back? Okay, now I gotta wait here for 90 seconds. The pink. This is practice. The fuck happened?
Did you find me?
No.
Were you a hunter or was I a hunter?
I was the hunter.
Did you find me?
No.
Why did it end? You cheater.
I don't know. Do you want to restart?
Yeah, sure.
Stop floating. I think that's the reason you got out.
Yeah.
Yeah, the floating's the reason. Okay.
I'm not floating.
No, like, level yourself. Go on the blue person and put on sit mode. Put on sit mode.
Oh, I'm sitting.
Okay.